Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to deposit money from Remitly to your Revolut account in 2025. If you're dealing with international transfers, managing multiple currencies, or just optimizing your banking setup, this step-by-step guide will make it a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both apps ready to go. Download and set up Remitly if you haven't already. It's a reliable service for sending money across borders. On the Revolut side, ensure your account is verified and linked to your bank details. This is crucial for seamless transfers in 2025, as Revolut has updated its security features to make everything faster and safer. Step 1. Open the Remitly app on your phone or computer and log in. You'll see an option to send money. Select that and choose your destination country or currency. Now, for the key part. Enter your Revolut account details. In 2025, Revolut provides a unique virtual account number for transfers, so grab that from your Revolut app under the Accounts section. Double-check everything to avoid any delays. Step 2. Specify the amount you want to transfer and review the fees. Remitly's rates are competitive, especially for 2025, but always confirm the exchange rate to get the best deal. Once you're happy, hit Send, and confirm the transaction with your Remitly PIN or biometric verification. After that, head over to your Revolut app. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear, depending on your locations. Keep an eye on your transaction history. Revolut will notify you when the funds arrive. If there's any issue, both apps have excellent customer support you can reach out to. And there you have it. Depositing money from Remitly to Revolut is straightforward once you know the ropes. This method is perfect for freelancers, travelers, or anyone handling cross-border finances. If you follow these steps, you'll save time and money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.